Now we need to prove that this is equal to 1. So let us take the expression on the left hand side and simplify it to see that whether it gives us 1 or not. So this is the expression on the left hand side. Now root over x to the power a minus b. This means that x to the power a minus b whole raised to the power half into x to the power b minus c whole raised to the power half into x to the power c minus a whole raised to the power half. So this is what we have. Now, if we have a to the power m whole raised to the power n, we can write it as a to the power m into n. So we need to multiply these exponents. So we get x to the power a minus b into half. Now a minus b into half gives us a minus b by 2 into x to the power b minus c into half. Now b minus c into half gives us b minus c divided by 2. And this is x to the power c minus a into half. So c minus a into half is c minus a divided by 2. So we have these three exponential numbers which are being multiplied. The base of these three numbers is the same, that is x. We know that if the base is same and two exponential numbers are multiplied, then their powers are added. So these are two exponential numbers multiplied with the same base. So we add their powers. Let's do the same for this. So these are three exponential numbers with the same base. So we can add their powers. So we have x to the power a minus b by 2 plus b minus c by 2 plus c minus a by 2. So this is what we have. Now let us simplify this exponent, that is this expression which we have as the power. So we have x to the power. Now the denominator is the same in each case. So we have 2 as the denominator. In the numerator, we have a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Now a minus a gives us 0. Negative b plus b gives 0. Negative c plus c gives us 0. So this is x to the power 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. So this is equal to x to the power 0. We know any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So x to the power 0 is equal to 1, which is what we have on the right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we have proved that this is equal to 1.